Welcome to WebStylePress. How to find exact plugin by name in WordPress admin. Sometimes when searching for a WordPress plugin from your WordPress admin dashboard, you may not be able to find the exact plugin you are looking for, even though it exists in the WordPress.org plugin repository. For example, if I go to WordPress dashboard, navigate to plugins, add plugin, in the search bar, if I type the plugin name, that is WP admin category search, I cannot find it. It's nowhere to be seen. But it exists there in the WordPress plugin repository. So to locate the specific plugin you are looking for, search using quotation marks. Add quotation marks around plugin name, and you will find it. Using quotes forces WordPress to look for the exact match, making it much more likely to return the correct plugin. Use this technique when you cannot find a specific WordPress plugin from dashboard. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.